everyone, it's Sara Westbrook here, and I specialize in emotional development. Now, over the last 12 years, I've had the pleasure to present with over 500,000 people on this very topic. Lately, I haven't been able to present live, and I've missed it. I love people. Of being in the same room with people, feeling their energy, interacting. And now, given circumstance, that hasn't been possible. I was skeptical on how my presentation would translate on a virtual platform. It's been my pleasant surprise. There's value. There is so much value that can be given and received on this virtual landscape. Being able to share tools and resources by the flip of a screen, knowing that it's also very convenient. You know, you're in the comfort of your space, but I'm sharing with you resources that you can see clearly and put into action and practice. I do believe that when we talk about emotional development, it is a practice. And it is an essential practice for both personal and professional success. Being able to boost morale, productivity, company culture, it all comes down to emotions. You know, life is never about perfection. It'll always throw you a curveball, but it is about the ability of reflection and redirection. Today and every day, being able to move through tough emotions, being able to manage them and bounce back from them is a skill worth practicing.